All right, Leon. All right, man, look at you. You're going faster than me, buddy. Wow. Very good, Leon. Hey, you like it? You think? Do you like it, Leon? You think it's boring? Fun, huh? Told you it's fun. Told you. Now you can ride. Go ahead. Put power behind it. Power. Come on, power. You can do it. Power. Pedal. Very good, Leon. Very good. Very good, Leon. Now, turn around. Okay, come on down. Come on. Don't forget your handbrakes. Very good, buddy. Yeah, you're a lucky dude. You didn't get to fall. You didn't even get to scrape your elbow.